Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to change AOL password. So if you're new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel, and also turn on notification by pressing the bell icon. So for this, first of all, you need to open up any browser and go to aol.com. Now here you can see login and sign in option in the top right side. Click on that. Now click on create account. Now here you can see your first name and last name. So I'm just giving and filling up all the details here, so you have to do the same thing. Now you need to fill up all the details like your birth date and gender. Now just you need to click on continue. Now here you can see you need to click on that send a code, and there you will receive a code in your phone number, so you have to get that code. I'm just typing in that code which I've just got in my message. So this is the code I've got. Now click on verify. Alright, now you can see welcome to AOL. You can use this email to sign in. So which email you've just used to sign up, you will be easily able to sign in with this email. So in this way you'll be able to create AOL account. So guys, I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5-minute solution.